Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. I have a very special guest with me today. I have my granddaughter Evie here from all the way from Idaho, right? This is going to be her first time making soap. However, we have to prep this because we are making both Black Magic Woman, which is our avocado and cucumber soap for women, and then on Friday we're going to make our avocado and cucumber soap for men. So I'm going to get the avocado and the cucumber all set up. And you guys are going to see a different stick blender. This is Martin because Simon is going. I'm probably not going to use them to make this soap, but I don't know. We'll have to see. So, all right, guys, we're going to get this prepared. I'm going to do 2 ounces of the avocado, 2 ounces of the cucumber without the skin. And there'll be... So a total of 4 ounces. 2 ounces will go in this batch. 2 ounces will go in the batch that you'll see being made on Friday. Okay, guys. So I'm going to go over everything because I have added my avocado and cucumber to my oils.
Yes.
For those of you that don't know or haven't worked with food in your soap or anything, it will speed up trace enormously. It can be really bad. However, our fragrance, it's a dupe of Yeves St Laurent's Cha Bella Donna. That does slow down trace, but I'm not sure it's going to slow down trace enough for me to be able to not get this in the mold properly. I'm hoping that Evie gets a chance to stir stuff like she wants to.
Yes.
And
yes,
whatnot. Yes, you do. And I have subtracted the weight of my yogurt, like I always do, and subtracted the 2 ounces of the avocado cucumber mixture from my lye water.
I do wear glasses.
Yeah?
I did bring them.
Oh, did you?
Yes, I did.
Well, goggles help to keep you all safe in case there's splashes.
Yeah, I think goggles are better.
Yeah, goggles are better. Okay, so in my lye water, this is my Isis mix, so there is 50-50 distilled water and aloe vera juice, plus my normal salt and sugar.
Yes.
Do you know why I put salt in there?
I wonder.
That way it makes a harder bar, and I put sugar in there for the bubbles.
No, just all of your soap looks so pretty.
Oh, thank you, baby. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this up, get it to emulsification. That means that the oil and waters are mixed, okay? All right, we're getting thick already. Thicker than I would like anyway. Honey, get your face back just a little bit. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we don't want to have any unnecessary splashing. Okay, did I say we're using rose kaolin clay and activated charcoal? I don't remember if I said that or not. We got lots of bubbles. Simon is giving bubbles. That's why we speak English. Why we might be changing to Simon, or not Simon, to Martin. Okay, so we're going to put our little bit of black. And I used my natural soap base for the rest of it. And the rose kaolin clay. And you want to stir the rose kaolin clay, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Got to be careful. Don't go crazy with that stirring.
Yeah, you have to.
You want me to show you? So you just scrape the bottom of it like that. And you can take your spatula and go around the sides like that. Evie's very crafty. I got to tell you guys. I was making pumpkins for the fall Marry Me soap, and Evie made pumpkins with me, and every pumpkin she did just got better and better and better. She's a natural.
Should we show them? Maybe not.
We can show them after we're done putting this soap in the mold for sure. We could do that because they're just right behind us, right?
And I did make a ring out of soap.
Yes, she made a ring out of soap dough. We had a lot of fun playing with soap dough. Okay.
And a mini dough.
Let me make sure this is all stirred in, and then we will add the fragrance. When we add the fragrance, you're going to have to stir it in really, really good.
Really good.
Yes. So I'm going to put most of the fragrance in here, a little bit in there, and a little bit in there. Okay, so stir the fragrance in really, really, really good. Are you going to stir it?
Yes.
Smells good, don't it? Oh, it's not as... See, this fragrance definitely thins out your batter, which is perfect. See how thin it got? Can you feel the difference when you're stirring it? I gotta stir it in my activated charcoal. I think we may have to wait till this sets up a little bit, guys.
Aww.
No, it won't take long. Trust me. There's too many sugars in here with all the vegetables. She's been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Because when we started, when I took my oils out of the microwave, they were like 100 and what were they? 155 or something. So we've been waiting for our oils to cool down under 95 degrees.
That is a very light color.
Yeah, it's good. And when it saponifies, which means when it sits in the mold overnight, it turns a lighter color. Okay, let me make sure all the fragrance is stirred in. I love rose kaolin clay. It's really pretty. Okay, so let's wipe our counter off and get our mold. And we're going to start with this part. We may have to swirl it with a chopstick.
Sadly, I think, was that the new one that you bought?
What new one?
That new one that apparently...
Oh, Martin?
Yeah, Martin.
Yeah, Martin is my new one. Okay, so we're going to pour some of the natural base in first.
But sadly...
Almost about halfway.
Sadly, he did not work.
Who, Martin?
Yes.
Oh, because he came with a, what is it called? Like a food processor attachment. He came with everything. He came with the whole band, y'all.
Even though you said that we wouldn't use...
Yeah, we probably will use Martin for the next soap.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Because I have this in here. I'm going to take my black and I'm going to drop it really high.
Can I mix it?
I don't think we're going to have to mix it. Okay, and we're going to save some for the top.
Yes.
Okay.
We are.
And then we're going to put our rose kaolin clay in there.
Oh, I want to do that one.
From up high. Look at that.
Can I do the top?
Yeah, we can work on the top together because we're going to have to scoop it like with a spoon. And you can help me do the top.
Yay.
Kiki got to help me do the top on her soap too. Oh, see how thick that's getting?
Wait.
That's getting pretty thick. Okay, back up. I don't want it to splash you. Okay, there we go. That filled up the mold. All right, I'm going to bang it. So that means you got, yep, there you go. Good girl.
That didn't even make...
Perfect!
That didn't really make a splash.
No, it didn't.
So you didn't really have to go back.
No, I'm just going to clean up the side of the mold right there.
Yeah.
And what we're going to do is, here, you want to spray that with alcohol?
This?
Yep, spray that with alcohol. Very good. Oh, we got a bubble pop. Did you see that? Oh. Yeah, we had a bubble pop. Let me tap it again. Okay. All right, so I'm going to put this on the stove where it's level because y'all know my counter isn't level. And we're going to let this part set up so we can add the rest of our soap.
Yes.
Okay. Jiggly. Well, we're kind of jiggly.
Yeah, we're kind
of. But we are not jiggly enough that we can put the rest of our soap on here.
Wait.
So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to scoop it on there.
Whoa.
Yeah, we're going to scoop it on there.
That way it doesn't go like inside.
Yeah, we don't want it to break through.
Are you going to make another soap?
Yes, we're going to make the men's version of this too.
Ew.
What do you mean, ew? Someone Grandpa likes to shave with. He does. He loves my cucumber avocado soap. You know what that one's called?
What?
That one's called I Adore Mi Amor. That means I love my baby. Well, I love my love, right? Something like that.
Yeah,
It's a really good song. Did I mention this is called Black Magic Woman by Carlos Santana, who is an awesome artist.
Oh no, you're getting soap on the bottom.
Oh, did I get soap on the bottom? Oh my goodness. Mimi, what is wrong with you? Okay. All right, so you said you wanted to do this one. Now remember, it's a little bit more runny than,
Do I just
yep.
put it in there right now?
Yep, we're just going to plop it on there. I'm going to let you go first. Make sure you get it all the way across. There you go.
Oh.
Hey, what did I tell you before? You're not soaping right if you're not messy.
Mm.
Now what you can do is scrape your spatula like this to get most of it, to get it off the spatula. There you go. And I'm a scraper, so when you're done, I'll scrape it all the way out.
Right, like this? No.
Yeah, on the inside. There you go. On the inside.
Oh,
We should have put your hair up.
We should have.
Look at the things I forget as a Mimi, right? Because I always put my hair up when I soap. Here, baby, I'll get it.
No, I think I got it.
You think you got it? Because we got to put some over here, too. And we can put our finger there, too.
Oh, we can?
Yeah, we can. We have a washcloth to wipe our gloves off on, too. Just remember that that soap can burn you.
Yeah, so that's why we have gloves.
Yeah, that soap can burn you, so you got to be careful. All right, now let me scrape the rest of it out of there and get this off of here. Oh, that's did you get some on me?
Aww, I'm so
Oh, that's okay. That's what we have a washcloth for. It doesn't burn immediately, but it will burn. Here,
Could I put
you
some-
use the washcloth. Let me get over here and get this off of here. Sorry, guys, I know I'm in your way.
We're so sorry.
Well, this is your first time soaping with me. Soaping ever, right?
I mean, on
Oh,
YouTube.
I hear my alarm. Guess what? It's dinner time, and I didn't even take anything out for dinner.
Aww.
I'm a bad Mimi.
No, you're good.
Well, I appreciate that.
That cannot be that you're bad, Mimi. You're good.
Thank you. You're very sweet.
You just forgot about things since you're doing a little video. That's
Right,
okay.
that's right. Okay. Oh, my spoon has... Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're sort of just going to spread it out.
Ooh, can I help?
Yep, you have a spoon right there. I gave you a spoon, remember? Yep,
Oh, it looks so pretty.
yep.
Are we gonna use different colors?
Woo!
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. Don't be sorry. You're good. What?
Your alarm went off.
Yeah, I know. That's the alarm to make dinner. Which, I have no idea what we're having for dinner. Oh, you guys are going to Dave & Buster's.
Yeah, so it doesn't
Okay.
really matter.
Wait, we made a mess of that top, didn't we? Okay, hold on. Yeah, there you go. Pull it up. You see how you can make that color change?
Oh, it's so pretty.
Yeah, you can make that color change by pulling that up. Because we put...
So pretty.
Don't do it too much because you're going to muddy all the colors together.
Ugh.
Okay, let me fix it.
Ugh.
And this one gets glitter on it too, so you can do the glitter. How's
Yay!
that? Let me have your spoon and I'll fix it. How's that?
Yeah.
That's right, you did a good job.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
I wish I could do this.
We're gonna have to take the potato peeler to this one.
Do you think I could do this again?
Yeah, we're gonna make the men's soap, remember? As long as you guys aren't going to Dave & Buster's right away. But I have lots of soap to make because remember, Mimi's very busy.
No, I meant like tomorrow or something. If you're making it.
Yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna be making soap tomorrow, Evie.
On a video.
Yep.
Ooh,
I gotta
wanna
make
help
sure.
with
I gotta
that.
make sure that all our Renpet family has videos to watch.
Or maybe maybe tomorrow I can pick up soap. Maybe.
Well, I have a list of soaps I have to make,
Aw.
but well, that's all right. But I can let you pick which one you want to do. Evie thinks that I should make a soap that looks like what?
A pizza.
A pizza, but doesn't smell like pizza.
Yeah, you can change the scent, but I
Right.
want it to look like pizza.
That would be kind of interesting, wouldn't
That
it?
would.
Okay, here's the glitter. There you go. Glitter away, my child.
Okay.
Well, my grandchild.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, Black Magic Woman has glitter on her.
Okay. That's probably enough.
You just get a little... We need glitter. Glitter it. Glitter it. Okay.
That is so much glitter.
Not so close. Back up. Back up with that. Yep, there you go. Woohoo! For our next soap, we're putting your hair up.
Yeah.
What do you think? Was that fun?
It looks so pretty.
It does look pretty. And you know what? You're going to be here still when I cut this.
Yay.
Yeah, you're going to be here still when I cut this, so you're going to be able to see what it looks like. So, in 18 to 24 hours, Evie and I are going to come back and cut this for you guys.
Yes.
All right, so we will see you then. Bye-bye. We'll say bye.
Bye.
Hi, guys. Well, you can say hello, guys, again, because they didn't hear you the first time, because when you first turn the camera on, it doesn't really record.
Hi.
So this is Black Magic Woman that Evie helped me make.
Yes,
And
I
Evie's
did.
and Evie's gonna want to show you guys her pumpkins when we're done. So
And my
I'm
other
gonna
stuff.
yeah, we're gonna the pumpkins in the ring for sure.
Yeah, but the donut.
You don't need to worry about the donut.
Hmm.
Okay, so here we go. First piece. After we got that little end piece off of there. Alright. Here we go. So there's the first piece. Oh, this turned out so much better than last time, guys. I'm so glad I let it get a little bit thicker. Look, Evie.
Ooh.
Nice.
But this is done getting...
What? Oh, the unicorn horn? Yeah. This is one of my favorite songs by Carlos Santana. I love Black Magic. Well, I love Carlos Santana, period. But, oh, I guess I can get my potato peeler out of your guys' way, right? There we go. Look at what a great job we did, Evie. That was very nice.
That looks kind of bigger.
Yeah, the next one is one that you actually swirled and poured the black in. So we'll see how that one looks too. And we don't know if that green tea powder, we don't know if that turned green or not. Well, they got to turn it around. You got to turn it around so they can see the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, they already saw the other side, honey. They already saw it. Come on, let me do it, all right? I love you, but you gotta let me do it because I'm on this side. You're too far away. You're too far away. And you can't cut it because I need to make sure. Even Mimi doesn't always cut it straight, so. Yeah. All right.
Sometimes.
Oh, that one's kind of cool looking.
Yeah.
Look at that. That one's kind of cool looking. Yeah, I'm glad that I didn't, the last time I made this was like the second or third video I ever posted on YouTube. It was very, very thin because I put the avocado and the cucumber in the lye water. So it was really thin and like everything just all jumbled together, and I didn't like the way it looked. Even though it sold really well. I just didn't like the way it looked. So, same with, I mean, I make I Adore Me More, the one that we're going to cut next, all the time. And I didn't like the last, you know, the one that I posted when I first got on YouTube. I didn't like the way that one looked either. So we'll see if there's a big difference. And I found my French green clay. Did I tell you that?
You did?
Yes, I did. Of course, after I make the soap, I found my French green clay. So.
Haha, she found it. Hooray!
Yeah, but we already made the soap.
Wait, what?
I said we already made the soap. That's the...
Did you put on a video?
Yeah, that's the soap that's the second soap we made together.
Mmm.
And I apologize, guys. I'm really, really hoarse. And you probably heard that I was really, really hoarse when I cut and the snake begins to sing. But I was cutting those on the same night. So...
Yeah.
It's just from all the excitement and trying to be heard over everybody else. It's pretty loud in this house, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
And I apologize to y'all if you can hear my dishwasher, the humming in the background. So, but with all these people in the house, she's doing a lot of dishes.
If you can.
Yeah, we've been trying to buy paper plates, but it doesn't always work that way. Okay, last piece. And then we have our sample bar. There we go. Bless you, baby. Thank
I tried to
take the washcloth. There you go. And there's some soap right there.
Where do I need it?
To wipe your you sneezed into your hands.
Oh, yes.
I don't want you to touch anything. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me as always, and I will see you on Friday. Bye-bye.